When it comes to issuing a parking fine, it depends whether it's a penalty charge notice or a parking charge notice. These fines are issued under different circumstances. Penalty charge notices are issued by local councils or authorities, and they're legally enforceable fines. The issuing authority typically has up to 28 days, extendable to 6 months in case of DVLA delays, from the date the alleged parking offence to issue that PCN. If it's issued promptly and not contested, the driver normally has 28 days to pay the fine, with a 40% discount available if you pay it within the first 14 days. Parking charge notices, on the other hand, are issued by private landowners or their appointed parking operators, and these fines are not legally enforceable without court action. PCNs issued under the Protection of Freedoms Act must be issued within 14 days of the alleged offence. If it's left on the vehicle, another notice must be sent within 56 days to the registered address. If these conditions are not met or the PCN lacks the acts mentioned, then it might not be enforceable. Both types of fines can be pursued for up to 6 years. If unpaid within this period and no court actions taken, then they become statute barred. This basically means that the debt is no longer legally enforceable and that courts will not entertain claims beyond this time frame. Ignoring a penalty charge notice issued by a council can lead to escalated fines, potential court summons, and enforcement via bailiffs or other debt collection methods. It is legally enforceable, and ignoring it can result in serious consequences for credit rating. In a similar way, ignoring a parking charge notice from a private operator could lead to court action if pursued by the landowner. However, many private operators might not pursue legal action because of the small amount involved, but it isn't guaranteed. Solicitors advise that after 6 years without court action, these fines become statute barred. Always respond promptly to any fines that you receive. Either pay or appeal. And on this note, if you are appealing, then don't pay immediately, because then you'll lose the right to contest your ticket. If you appeal and lose, then you may still be able to pay that discounted amount. If you know that you're to blame, then the best thing to do is pay as soon as you get the fine, so you get the discounted rate. Fines can double if you miss a window, so make sure you keep an eye on the dates. Now, if you don't know if you have a strong case for appeal and you want to get a second opinion, then you may want to speak to online solicitor JustAnswer. They're currently running a £5 trial, and I'll leave a link under this video. And if you do use it, you'll be supporting the Debt Advice Service. So thanks.